Keep it up. Happy New Year. Today is first day of New Year, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because I am going to give you like lots of videos on different topics or for your help. Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video of speaking practice English. Okay. So this is actually my speaking practice video. But another thing that I want to tell you in this video is that I know that there are lots of methods of learning English like reading, watching videos, English videos, listening to English music, and writing, and everything. And I know that every single technique and method is useful, is helpful in your learning. But I found the best method, for improving our English is you can improve your English in just two steps. And I found this, and I am super excited while you know telling you this, and I maybe fumble in between because sometimes I also get stuck, as I told you that I am also an English learner and I am also yet not fluent. Okay, so I'm telling you one thing, that which method is most and super helpful in your learnings. Okay, so that is comprehensible input. Comprehensible input is something when you watch the video, when like if you are watching a video of someone and he is doing something and explaining everything to you, like when he is cooking, he is explaining you that I am right now doing this, now I'm going to do this, and this kind of videos, like you can say it a vlog, English vlogs, and daily life English vlogs. Okay, if you watch these kinds of video, you will be learning fast. Okay, I am also nowadays stick on this method, and I found this very useful and helpful because whatever I watch, whatever I see, whatever I listen, and whatever I learn, I used to apply. Okay, I apply all those vocabs in my speaking to, in my learning to. Like for example, I have watched someone who is cooking. Okay, who was cooking and explaining everything. So I would say, if you cannot remember, like I know that it's not easy to remember everything, so you can write somewhere those words, you can read out loud, and you can remember those. And when you do the same thing, you just need to explain that thing in English. Okay, you have lots of words, that is vocabulary, and you know that how to build this. And I am not saying that speak long sentences. Okay, speak only simple sentences, single sentences. For example, I am cooking right now, I will make this, I am chopping the onion, and I am I'm going to add some. Seriously guys, please don't laugh on my excitement because I don't know why I am, this is the way it happened always. Okay, because when I tell something to someone, I always get super excited because it made me feel very happy that I am helping someone. Okay, so I'm telling you this, that you can search on YouTube comprehensible input, you will have a lot of videos there. Okay, and you can watch them, you can write vocabulary for your daily life, like the vocab you can use in your daily life, you will only write those vocab and try to use that in your daily life. I think someone is calling me, and I don't know ki that this mic will record my voice or not, so I just need to check. Okay, Okay, so I've just checked, and so guys, this is what I was telling you, that do this. Okay, if you will stick on this method for at least 1 month regularly, okay, you will watch video and you will speak. Okay, watch, listen and speak. These three methods, these three steps will make you fluent. I am definitely, I assure you. Okay, so whatever the words I am learning, I always try to you know, I always try to speak in my speaking. Okay, whenever I mad video, whenever I make video, or whenever I used to practice alone, so I try to use those words in my speaking. So this is how you can practice English. Okay, so that's enough for the day, I think. Okay, so this was my speaking practice, but I also wanted to tell you something, that is, I have just told you. Now I am going to have a bath, so keep it up. Happy New Year. Today is first day of New Year, and I am like free today, like my days off, I can say, because I go to work and my husband has gone to his work because उनको जो है छुट्टी नहीं है. Okay, तो whenever I don't get the right word or right sentence to speak, I always speak that word or that sentence in Hindi. Okay, or you can say in your mother tongue. So this is how I practice. So whatever I know, at least I am speaking that. So you just need to do that, the same thing. Okay, so take care, keep practicing, keep learning. I will meet you very soon in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I am going to give you like lots of videos on different topics or for your help. Okay, and I have lots of things yet to share, but for that you just subscribe to my channel first. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep it up, keep growing, keep learning. I have just learned these sentences too, so I am trying to speak. Okay, bye bye, take care.